So I go on Virtuous Nation, you don't know. Hope everybody good and thing. You know what I mean? Blessings and respect to the Virtuous family. You don't know that I uno. Big up on a nice clean self, you know what I mean? Thank you for the support, for the likes, the comments. I don't know the things that are ready, you know what I mean? I really appreciate it to the fullest. You know what I mean? I big up on a nice clean self. So we're there now on the Saturday, you know what I mean, in the kitchen again, as always, you see me I say. And today we are going to chef up some fish tea, you see me I say, Muffin asked for some fish tea, so we're going to match up that fire, you know what I mean, and I don't know the things that are ready. And yeah, I'm just joining for that one, because that one I got mad. Me the one say, blessings and respect to Uno, because Uno couldn't do anything else in the world, but Uno take the time out for click on the video and go and, you know, say and pray and everything. So Uno big up on yourself for that, and you don't know, blessings and respect to Uno all, you see me I say. So yeah people, you don't know what they're on the menu today as I say fish tea. So you don't know we have the fish soup or fish tea mix. As I say some okra, banana, carrot, garlic, pepper, Irish, piece of yam. Yeah, we have piece of yam here too. Look later we're gonna make some dumpling as well, you know what I mean? I don't know, we're gonna make some dumpling and make that even nicer. You see me I say? I don't know the seasoning and thing. So what am I gonna know in the meantime? Drop in a fish soup, a fish tea mixer, and then you don't know, make it go and do a thing in the meantime. Chop up them here and just drop them in straight, make everything go and cook one time. You see me I say? I some tilapia anyway, but we're not gonna see what I want. So yeah peeps, as me say, I don't know the fish soup now. I'm gonna just do some man. Drop in everything, you know what I mean? Everything go and cook up. Already, so some more there. So I'm going to do now, I peel off the yam and then just chop it like this. Wash that. I go scrape off a carrot and, you know what I mean? Don't know what I always do. Alright, same thing again. You know what I mean? Same. Alright, banana now, I don't know the things that for banana. You know I do this, you don't know always do it underneath water, make it easier, isn't it? You know, and the stain. You know what I'm saying? Just wash off the man, kind of clean up the place a little bit. Don't know, boss him. Next banana, boss him. See, just like that. Any liquor you want to clean off, you just clean off. But as me say, if you know do this, you better, you know what I mean, and you know to know if you do it, better do it underneath the sink. Much easier. Much easier. Alright. Drop in a pepper already, so I'm going to cut up the one and drop it in now. Watch. One more scallion. You know what I mean? What me do, as me say, I like to peel off the first part, you see me? Cut off the bottom. And if you can, peel off the first part, you see? And then wash this off. That just do some boom and, you know, but take the time with it, you know? Alright. One slice in the middle, another slice in the middle, and just, you know? Alright. See if you can peel that Irish. You know what? Let me make them thing. Just I'm going to go and do that thing in the meantime. What am I going to do now? I don't know. Peel this, and then after I peel it now, wash him off and just drop it in. You know what I mean? Straight. Flour time now, you see it? Forgot to put some time in it. Now some time there, I'm going to drop it tonight now, you see me? So I'll be ready for that one day. So I drop it in so I make, now I make a heap of flour, you know, because muffin. So she don't want no flour, you see me? So this is for me. Now I go to make whole heap, you see it? So I make about 3-4. However much what about, you see me? So at least. I'm just dropping a little water on the flour now. Don't know. Knead him up nicely. You see it? Yeah man. You don't know, a good vibes, good energy on the Virtuous channel, isn't it? Welcome back again people, you see it? Yeah man, so alright, so if you have today Saturday, next week Saturday now, what I go do? I go match up some chicken foot soup. You see it? Yeah man. I know so no must say I wonder which part all the rice and peas and chicken there. I don't know that they about man. So if I get the chance to do that Sunday, me match it up Sunday. If I not get it, I not get it. You see me? So you know what I mean? Yeah man. Positive energy. I didn't think they would deal with it. I don't know the things set man on the Virtuous channel. But nothing but good vibes. You see it? Good food and good vibes. You can't ask for more than that. Alright, tell them I drop a little bit more flour. Too much water, is it? I drop a little bit more flour. Set. Boom. Boom down the mat. So I have some okra here. I go drop in too, but I go drop in them the last, you see me? You don't know the things yet, man. And I go drop in look Maggi for you know. Nice it up man. Put look more flavor in it, you see me? Yeah man, although fish tea good still enough, although fish tea, the seasoning, the packet when I put it night, it good. You see me I say? At least. Man, it come together nice man. See it, I don't know if you need flour already. Now for match up that for me. I know the thing set. Alright, yeah, please, it'll come together nice now, you see me? So yeah people, you don't know, we just gonna need the flour now. So make some dumpling. So that, just like that. I'm gonna go straight in the pot same time. Set speed, you know, no itching, no long talking. No itching, no long talking, you see me? Look, so when we make the dumpling now, we do this, you see me? Do it like so, and turn it. You see me? I make it nice and round. Just like that. You see it? Yeah, peeps. So when I pot a stew now, hold on, let me drop you. Give me a spoon. So when I pot a stew now, you see me? That banana that I dumpling. I drop in some thyme. So I might say, you see me I say? So you might see some time in this, so I just drop in some while ago. What I'm going to do now, drop in some Maggi, make it kinda, and then I go work on the okra them and then drop in the fish. You see me I say? Quick time. The okra them, love okra still, I know. People really know me know, so I love okra, bad. So what I do, wash them off, cut off the bottom, cut off the top, chop them in at the same time. I'm done with that now, drop them in. You see me I say? That's it. I'm not going to chop them up too fine. You see me? Just like that.
I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises.
Just finish them now. What am I going to do? Strap them right in. Oh. Nice up the pot some more, you see me? Nice and clean. Don't know the things it already, man. Virtuous TV, virtuous style. You see me I say? Nothing but positive vibe, good food and them kind of flex there. Them things that alone we deal with, you know what I mean? Don't know. Alright, so we're left now. The fish, I'm going to match it up, don't know, I'm going to drop in some Maggi in this and stir it up. And then I'm going to go on from this, you see me? Alright peeps. I'm going to drop in them 4 in I pot now. Just skin them and just chop them in. Yeah man, and just like that, up and run, you see me I say? Just like that. Just like that. Just like that, people. Stir it up, you don't know that I forgot on. But I get full now. You see me? Yeah man, the pot I get full, man. Like say, can't hold no more. Hey, we say. Like say, pot can't hold no more, but it's a go hold more. I tell it. See how them just so nice and fresh. You see me I say? Yeah man, clean man, I don't know. Come on, just stir them up. Make sure say everybody rub up on one another. You know what I mean? Don't know, be a flavor, be a vibes in our pot. Them things that alone we deal with it no peeps. And I like because it get thick. And I some like it too, you know. I like when you eat soup, you know. It can full you up, you know, man. I in a bag of water thing, you see me? Oh God, man. Hey, pepper hot. Hold on it. Alright, people. Side fish. What I do now, I just put a little bit of Maggi on it, just to add a little bit of flavor to it. I don't put Maggi in my pot already. So I just do some man. Just drop them in there so. Drop in that piece right there so. See me? Make that go and do it thing. So when I pot still now, tick up and thing. I'm gonna do now. Everything drop in, you know what I mean? Nothing else no need to go in the pepper, thyme, scallion, carrot, yam, Irish, dumpling, everything in there. So I make it do it thing in the meantime now. Clean up the place and then, you know what I mean? Have something to eat. So yeah, Virtuous Nation, the pot just done now. You see me, I say I'm gonna do a little taste kind of thing, you see me? You don't know so what I have to do that, you know what I mean? So you see what fine piece of okra and piece of fish. Yeah. So I go and the motor run water already, you see me? Yo, mister. Yo, I will make this. I need to know how to make this. God, yo, Lord God, Lord have His mercy. No, I'm going to go back one more time. No, sir. Give thanks. Father God, give thanks, God. The food chat. God no. So you don't know yet. Rotted. Thank you for watching. You know what I mean? Big up on a nice clean self. You know what I mean? Thank you for stay tuned to the video. The Virtuous man in the kitchen mats up some fish tea. And it bad, man, I lie. It wicked. Big up on a nice clean self, people. And I'm out. Until next time.